Did you know that 8 times more babies have died from whooping cough this year compared to the whole of last year? Now, whooping cough or pertussis is highly contagious. This condition starts with cold-like symptoms, then it progresses to intense coughing with a distinctive whoop sound. Babies under 12 months old are most at risk, and they can only get their first vaccine from 8 weeks. So getting the vaccine during your pregnancy is the only way for them to be protected right from the start. The vaccine is a dead vaccine. This means that you cannot get the infection from it, and it's perfectly safe during pregnancy. It's recommended to get the vaccine through your GP or midwife between 16 to 32 weeks of pregnancy.